Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Lectures by Aparna. So here we have to find the gradient of a function. So first we have to know what is the concept of gradient. See, if there is a surface f, this is a surface f, okay? This is a surface. What is del f? Del f will be a vector that is perpendicular to this surface. So this is del f. Okay, so here we have to find this del f, which is the gradient of the function. So del operator is given as I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. So when this gradient acts upon a function, it will be del f will be equal to I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. Okay, so here what is the value of f? F is xy z cube. Now let's do del f on this function. It will be equal to I dou by dou x of xy z cube plus j dou by dou y of xy z cube plus k dou by dou z of xy z cube, which is equal to I into here x and here y and z cube are the constants. So it will be y z cube plus j. In this case x and z cube are the constants. X z cube plus k. We are partial differentiating these functions. So k into, in this case x and y are constants. So xy into 3z square. Now here we have to substitute the values of this point. We have to find f at this point. So we have to substitute x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 2 in this equation. Now del f will become I into, y is 0 here. So 0 plus j into x is 1, z is 2, so 2 cube plus k again, here there is y which is 0, so this whole term will become 0. This will be equal to 8j, only this term will be there. Okay, so this is the gradient of this function. We have to find the divergence of the vector field. What is the concept of divergence? This mainly comes in the case of fluids. So if there is a hole and if fluid is coming out of it, okay, so divergence gives the density of that fluid that is coming out at a particular point. That is known as divergence. So in this case it is positive divergence, and if the fluid is coming into this point, then this is negative divergence. Okay, so here it is acting as a sink and this here it is acting as a source here. This is the physical meaning of divergence. Now we have to write it mathematically. What is divergence in mathematical concept? Divergence is del dot f. So this is the vector field f. If the vector field is f1i plus f2j plus f3k, then del dot f will be equal to dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. So here in this equation f1 is equal to 3xz, f2 is equal to 2xy and f3 is equal to minus yz square. From this we have to find del dot f here, which will be equal to dou by dou x of f1 is 3xz plus dou by dou y of f2 is 2xy. 2xy plus dou by dou z of f3 is minus yz square. Now do partial differentiation here. This will be equal to 3z plus 2x minus 2yz. Okay. Now we have to find it at the point 1, 1, 1. So at 1, 1, 1, x is equal to 1, y equal to 1 and z is equal to 1. So del dot f will be 3 plus 2 minus 2, or this is equal to 3. So this is positive number and hence it is positive divergence. In this question we have to find the curl of the vector point function. What is the physical meaning of curl? If there is a vector point function f, say let it be a fluid or something, curl is the tendency of that fluid to swirl, or in other words curl. Okay, like it happens in water bodies. So this is the vector point function f, and curl gives the tendency of this vector point function to swirl. So if curl is given by del cross f. So if curl is 0, then it means it can't rotate. So it is irrotational. Okay. So in this case we have to find the curl of this function. So let's get started. Del cross f is given as, del cross f is mathematically given as I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, f1, f2 and f3. Okay. So in this case f1 is 2xy, f2 is 2y square minus x square and f3 is 0. Let's substitute it here. We get I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. f1 is 2xy, f2 is 2y square minus x square and f3 is 0, which is equal to I into dou by dou y of 0 minus dou by dou z of 2y square minus x square minus j into dou by dou x of 0 minus dou by dou z of 2xy plus k into dou by dou x of 2y square minus x square minus dou by dou y of 2xy. Okay. Now we have to evaluate this equation. This will be equal to I into 0 minus, this is dou by dou z of this function, so this is also 0 minus j into This is also 0 plus k into, what is this? This will be minus 2x minus 2x. Therefore, del cross f will be equal to minus 4x k. This is the curl of the vector point function. Thank you.